Hello everyone, it's me Sir Echo and welcome to my grade 8 mathematics tutorial. Sa video na ito, I will help you understand factoring polynomials, particularly how to factor the difference of two squares. So let's proceed. Let's have our first given. Our first given is 196 x to the 10th power minus 81 y to the 8 z to the 6th power. So again, we are factoring the difference of two squares. So as we learned, way back special products. So, ang factored form ng difference of two squares ay the product of the sum and difference of two terms or vice versa. Kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng dalawang binomial na magkamukha, ang first and second term, subalit ang first term is sum and ang second term ay difference, ang sagot ay difference of two squares. So we're just going to do the reverse of that. So halimbawa, in our given, we have 196x to the 10th minus 81y to the 8th z to the 6th. So expect natin, ang sagot natin dito ay ganito. So meron tayong first binomial and we have a second binomial factor. So simulan muna natin sa paggawa ng isang parenthesis, open parenthesis. So we have to get, so since we know that 196x to the 10th power is a perfect square, meaning siya ay may pinanggalingang square root na whole number. So 196, you get the square root of that and that is 14. Okay? And then, punta tayo sa variable, which is x to the 10th power. Ang kanyang square root ay yung halhati ng exponent. So, multiply mo lang yung 10 sa 1 half, and that is x to the 5th. Minus, so by the way, plus, since we are following this pattern, so plus, so 81, the square root of that is 9. And then y to the 8, same with x to the 10th, kukuhanin lang natin ng 1 half ng ating exponent. So that is y to the 4th. And we have z to the 6th, and that is z to the 3rd power. And that is our first binomial factor, a plus b. And then, ang gagawin lang natin sa sunod, kokopyahin lang natin, copy-paste, pero from positive, magiging negative, or from sum, magiging difference. And that's all. Our final answer is 14x to the 5th plus 9y to the 4th ZQ, the quantity, times the quantity of 14x to the 5th minus 9y to the 4th ZQ. And that's our final answer. Now let's proceed to another example. 64 a to the 4th b squared minus 225 z c to the 12th power. So gawin din natin ginawa natin kanina na kung saan gawa muna tayo ng open parenthesis. Then we get the square root of 64. 64, ang kanyang pinanggalingan ay 8. Then a to the 4th is a squared. Get the half of the exponent. And then b squared, ang kanyang square root, so 2 times 1 half is 1. So b lang yung ilalagay natin kasi exponent ay 1. Then plus 225, get the square root of that, we have 15. And then c to the 12th power, ang square root ng ating c to the 12 ay c to the 6th power. And then close parentheses. And then to get the next factor, we just have to copy paste that and change the sum to difference. Therefore, our final answer is the quantity of a 8a squared b plus 15c to the 6th power times the quantity of 8a squared b minus 15c to the 6th power. And that's all.